Casa Aguá, a stunning architectural masterpiece, was born from a deep understanding of its surroundings and the specific needs of its owners. Nestled on a beachfront plot in Caraguatatuba, Brazil, the project sought to create a modern summer home that would serve as a gathering place for the entire family. The architects, BOLO arquitectos, approached the design with a focus on functionality and sustainability. They chose to utilize reinforced concrete as the primary structural material, ensuring minimal interference with the desired spatial layout. By leaving portions of the structure exposed, they showcased the raw beauty of the concrete, emphasizing the honesty of materials. The exterior of Casa Aguá is a harmonious blend of concrete, brick, and glass. The perimeter walls and facade are constructed of concrete, while a curtain system and spiral staircase are made of raw brick. These elements, combined with strategically placed glass openings and wooden frames, create a visually striking and functional exterior. The interior of the house is equally impressive. The architects reversed the traditional layout, placing the private area on the ground floor and the common area on the first floor. This innovative approach allowed for a more spacious and well-lit common area, offering breathtaking views of the ocean, mountains, and surrounding greenery. The ground floor features 4 suites, 2 of which share a bathroom. A central landscaped courtyard brings nature into the building, while the wide main circulation provides easy access to the upper floor and a technical area. The upper floor boasts a spacious and integrated living room and kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and an open-plan area that enjoys abundant natural light. Casa Aguá is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and the harmonious integration of architecture and nature. With its innovative layout, stunning materials, and attention to detail, this home is a true oasis for its owners and a testament to the brilliance of BOLO arquitectos. So that's the video about Casa Aguá by BOLO arquitectos. Casa Aguá is a truly unique and inspiring project that shows the power of architecture to transform spaces and create a sense of harmony with nature. I hope you enjoyed learning more about this project and that it inspires you in your own architectural journey. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.